Hi there, it's Morris from Case Design Remodeling in Halifax. We're going to walk you through a total condo transformation, design, build, renovation, remodel that we did. This is an older condominium in Halifax in a fantastic location, and it just needed some updating. So you'll see we did a really total transformation. The flooring, the paint, the trim, the electrical, the kitchens, or the kitchen, bathroom, living room, kind of a complete gut and remodel. You'll see in the before photographs that we're looking at now, we've got dated cabinetry, dark countertops, all the rooms are divided, not a lot of natural light coming through the windows because of the separation with the walls. We're looking at the living room. We've got really no built-ins at all or any detail there. The bathrooms were dated. We had acrylic surrounds, cheaper quality fixtures, old style flooring. And so we really wanted to come in with some multiple sort of options for this client. We wanted to open up the space, allow a lot of natural light to come through, and we wanted to add a lot of appeal and style and also function. You can see we had proposed quite a dramatic entrance that was important for our clients. So when people came into the condo, they immediately were welcomed. We've got some wallpaper, some custom trim moldings. You can see here our proposed solution for lots of built-ins, storage, and custom tiled fireplace surround. Now we've torn out the walls here in the proposal. You can see for the kitchen, brighter, more updated cabinetry, lots of built-ins, lots of areas for a bar, wine storage, entertaining, and then allowing a lot more light to come through the kitchen and the living room. You can see a couple of the proposals for the bathrooms, lots of unique tiles, stone countertops, higher style, higher quality fixtures. Now we're looking at some of the framing as we're under construction. We tore out the walls to create more open concept, and you can see a little bit of sort of midstream. We've got some of the cabinetry installed and some of the backsplash tile. Our next video, we're going to show you a complete finish of the project.